Hello and welcome to another video tutorial filmed by Divine by Design on behalf of Lecenté. Today I'm going to show you how to produce a glitter neon ombre effect nail. To achieve this look you're going to need your pink champagne iridescent glitter, your banana iridescent glitter, the yellow graffiti neon and the pink snakebite neon. Now to start I have base coated this nail with CND Shellac base coat. I've applied 2 layers of the cream puff and cured each layer, and finally I've finished off with a layer of the CND Shellac top coat and cured. Now you're ready to start achieving the look. I'm going to start with my pink champagne glitter first, and using a gel brush which I keep specifically just for glitters, as you can see it fans out. I'm going to take a small helping onto my brush and pat it on at the cuticle end of the nail. Pat it on about the first third of the nail and stroke up. Make sure you get those glitter flakes lovely and flat, and that's really easy to do with Lecenté glitters because they are precision cut glitters that are designed to sit beautifully flat on the nail. And because the colour lock technology, you don't have to worry about brushing them in really firmly into your polish and then the colours bleeding afterwards, because they just don't do that with Lecenté glitters. Now I'm going to go in with my banana, and using the same basis I'm going to pat this in to the free edge of the nail, cover the whole area, and then we're going to turn our brush and stroke backwards towards that pink champagne. Now we're ready to start with our neon nail shadows. Taking a separate gel brush, I keep another one just for my shadows and additives and pigments and things like that. I've decanted a small amount of each of the colours into the lids. We don't need much here. And I'm going to start here first with the pink snakebite. Same again, just pat it in the lid. Have a small helping on the brush, not too much, and pat it into that nail, starting at your cuticle area. Now, because we haven't removed that sticky top film from the top coat, we've just gone straight into applying our glitter. The neon nail shadows and the glitter beautifully adhere to that sticky top layer. What I've done first here is pat, and then we stroke the excess colour up over the nail. You want this colour to go as far as halfway, so if you need to apply a little more, go ahead. Now we need to clean off our brush. To do this I use a lint-free pad, a dry one, and just clean the brush to remove the excess nail shadow. This is especially important when you're going from a darker colour to a lighter colour like we are here. Now take a small helping of the yellow graffiti nail shadow and pat that on at the free edge. Once you've patted that all the way in, turn your brush around again and stroke upwards. What happens when we do this is our pink and our yellow start to blend together, and in the centre they produce a beautiful orange. And that's what produces our wonderful ombre effect. Now we are ready to top coat that nail. When you top coat the nail, it's especially important to be careful when we've used any sort of nail shadows or pigments. You need to ensure that your top coat covers all the way to the edge of that nail where you've applied the shadow. If you don't, then when it comes to removing that sticky top film, you can be left with a little white line all the way around. That shows you that you haven't applied the top coat all the way to those edges. Now we're going to cure that for 2 minutes and we're ready to remove our sticky top film. Now that our top coat's cured, we're ready to go in with a pad lightly soaked with isopropyl alcohol and remove that sticky top film. And as we do this, it should remove any of the excess neon nail shadow that you might have got on the skin around the nail. And there we have the finished neon nail shadow and glitter ombre nail. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely perfect with this crazy summer sun we've got at the moment. And it catches the light beautifully. So this shows you that you can mix your neon nail shadows with your glitters as long as you apply the glitter first, and then the nail shadow will fill in all those gaps in between. Stunning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials with myself, Divine by Design, on behalf of Lecenté. And if you want to check out Lecenté online, you can find them on Twitter @LoveLecenté and on Facebook www.facebook.com/LoveLecenté. Thanks very much for watching.